Okay, now we introduce the vertical Velashape for body slimming. Okay, this is the cavitation working handle. This is the working handle 1 for face, eyes, and the other small parts of the body. Okay, and this is the working handle 2. Working handle 3. Okay, there are 3 wastewater bottles behind of the machine. Okay, when the wastewater is beyond to the 3/4 of this bottle, we have to clean the wastewater inside. Okay, we have 2 solutions for you. The first one is we can use a tool to turn this bottle. Okay, and then take out the bottle and clean the water inside. Okay, this is first solution. And the second one is we can use a towel. You can see there are a tip inside. Use the towel, press the tip, and then the water will come out from the bottle. There are total 2 solutions for cleaning the water inside. Okay, next step, we should install the cavitation working handle. Okay, you can see there are different marks behind of the machine. We should install the working handle according to the marks. Okay, the first one is the cavitation. We just need to match the hole and then press. Last step, tie it. That will be okay. Okay. And the second one, we will install the face and eye handle. Okay, this one. And also, you can see the red mark beyond of this working handle, and just match the hole inside and then press. It is okay. And others are the same operation. Okay, now we will start the machine. Okay. Okay, when we enter into this screen, you can see that there are total 4 functions here. You can choose one of them. Okay, this is the body handle 1. Okay, for this big working handle, and you can see that here is the modes for option. This is the pulse mode, and you can adjust to the continue mode. And this is the suction level. Okay, you can adjust according to your client situation. And this is the lower speed, you can adjust. And the RF power adjustment. And here is the lower direction. Okay, you can choose one of them. And the light power, after setting everything. Okay, this is the treatment time. After setting, just press start button. Okay, and the next one is the body handle 2. Okay, the same operation. Here is the modes for option, and the last one is the continue mode. Okay, and the suction level, and the RF power or the adjustment, and the light power, and the treatment time. Setting, start button. You can see the parameters on this screen. And the next one is the eye and face working handle. Same operation, modes, and the suction level, and the RF power, and the light power, also the treatment time. After setting all, press start. Okay, last one is the cavitation. Cavitation, we just need to set the power. It is okay. Setting the power and the treatment time. Start the button. Okay, before doing the treatment, we have to put the essential oil on the treatment part. Okay, and then now we start the treatment.
这样呢，看起来会不会好一点？
Okay, next treatment we will do this working handle, okay? This is the body handle too. Okay, before doing this working handle, we also need to put the essential oil on the treatment part. And then start the treatment. Okay, next treatment we will do the cavitation. Okay, before doing the cavitation treatment, we have to put the gel on the treatment part. Okay, after setting the parameters on the screen, we start the treatment. Okay, next treatment, or the same, we should put the essential oil on the treatment part. Okay, start the treatment. And for this working handle, we also can do the treatment on your eye, face, and other small parts of the body.